Adaptation. All the living organisms are adapted to survive in the different climatic conditions of their natural habitat. This is called as a adaptation. Now adaptation is of two types: behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. An adaptation usually occur over a long period of time. First one is a behavioral adaptation. Moving of animals in a large group is called behavioral adaptation. And what is the use of this adaptation? It helps to protect the group member from the predator. An example is a bird call and the migration. Next one is a structural adaptation. The change in the body structure of animal is called as structural adaptation, and it helps to protect it against the cold weather. Example, the bill on the bird and the fur on a polar bear. This is the examples of the structural adaptation. This is the bill on the bird, okay, that helps to them to catch their prey. Next one is the polar regions. The polar regions are very cold for a most part of the year. These regions are covered with the snow. The temperature are as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius, almost the freezing all the time. For 6 months the sun does not rise, and other 6 months the sun does not set. That means 6 months night and 6 months day. Some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bear, then seals, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian crane, and many types of the fishes, etc. The climatic condition is very cold here, so animals have the special features to adapt these conditions. Okay, this we are going to learn now. Now polar bears. Polar bears is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. That is a polar region, and these polar bears have the special features, okay, to adapt this condition. What are these features? They have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. Since their color also is very bright in color, they are not easily visible. Okay, that helps them to catch their prey. They have 2 layers of fur to protect them from extreme cold. Fur means the skin. Okay, the covering of the skin is called a fur. The hairs we call it. Their paws are wide and large, which help them to walk on snow and to swim in water. They have strong sense of smell, which helps them to catch their prey. These are the some features which make them to adapt in this condition, that is a cold condition. Penguins are aquatic flightless birds living almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. These are also the birds which have the special features to adapt in this climatic condition. Adaptation of penguins. They have white colored body so that they are not easily visible in snow. They have thick skin and lot of fat to protect them from the cold. They huddle together to keep them warm. They have streamlined body and webbed feet, which help them to swim in water. Heavy and solid bones make a penguins heavier to help them to dive underwater for food. Okay, these are some important features of penguins that helps them to adapt in this climatic condition. These are some other example. Reindeers, they are also found in the cold region. Then foxes, seals, then whales, these are also found in the cold region. Musk oxen also. Now polar birds. The polar birds are Siberian crane and Arctic tern. Okay, these are the some polar region birds found, and they have some special features. The seasonal movement of the complete population of animals from one area to another is termed as migration. Now, what is a migration? Is a complete movement of complete population or animal from one area to another is termed as migration. The birds in the polar regions cannot tolerate extreme cold of winter, therefore they migrate. The bird migration you might have seen. Okay, they migrate from one area to another area because of the climatic condition. Okay, they cannot tolerate very cold climate or very hot climate. Then they totally move from one area to another area. And this is called as a migration. Adaptation of Siberian crane. What are the features? The Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. So during winter, it migrates to far away warmer places. Siberian cranes come to places in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. Now, Siberia is the one country where during the winter, okay, they cannot tolerate the cold climate, so they travel from there to other parts. Okay, move from there to other parts of the country, especially in India, Bharatpur in India, and also in Haryana, that is Sultanpur. The tropical rainforests. The tropical regions have a hot climate because of its location around the equator. The minimum temperature is more than 15 degrees Celsius during cold winter and maximum temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius during hot summer. The days and the nights are almost equal length. These regions also have plenty of rainfall. Tropical regions in India are Western Ghats and Assam. Now Western Ghats, where our Goa is lie, or most part of India, okay, comes in these climatic conditions. The tropical regions in India are Western Ghats and Assam. In the world, the tropical regions are Southeast Asia, where India is located, and Central America and Central Africa. These all part come on the equator. You might have learned in the geography. The common animals found in tropical climate are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, snakes, lizards, insects, birds, etc. Okay, these are the some animals you will found in the tropical rainforest. What is the important features of the tropical rainforest? It has a warm climate, day and night are almost same, and it gets plenty of rainfall. This you have to remember. Adaptation of red-eyed frogs. The red-eyed frog lives on tree. Red-eyed tree frog has a sticky pads on its feet which helps it to climb on the tree. These are the features of the red-eyed frog. See the picture of the red-eyed frog. Now adaptation of monkeys. Monkeys live on trees. They have long tails for grasping on the branches. Their hands and the feet also help them to hold on to branches. Adaptation of lions and tigers. Lions and tigers have a thick brown skin which help them to hide easily in the forest. They have sensitive hearing and sharp eyesight which help to protect them from predators and to catch their prey. These are the some important features of the lions and the tigers. The elephant. The elephant has adapted to the conditions of the tropical rainforest in the remarkable way. The elephant has a long trunk which it uses as a nose for picking up the food. It has a strong sense of smell. The tusks are modified teeth which help it to tear the barks of the trees to eat. Its large ears help it to hear even soft sounds. It also helps it to cool itself in hot climate. It also uses its trunk to pull down the fruits and leaves from the trees to eat. These are the some features which helps the elephant to adapt in the warm climatic condition. Thank you, students. That's all.